Okay, guys, so I think we're live. I think we're live. I'm just waiting for a few seconds just to ensure that everything is working. So let's see now. I want to start, but I wanna also ensure that everything is alright. Okay, so we're live. Everything is good. Welcome to CyberDream Developers, and we are doing our website redesign. This is episode 2. Alright, guys. So um, let me just head over to the website. All right, so this is where we will be rebuilding from. All right, there we go. We will be rebuilding from. So yesterday we did this section. All right, let's get this out of the way. So we did this section yesterday. CyberGrow website as a service. Getting a profitable online presence for your business has never been easier. So it's 12 minutes past 4. All right, so I'm going to go until about 4:45, 30 minutes. CyberGrow website as a service, blah, 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 blah. Nice picture from Undraw. I probably should open up Undraw right now. All right, and we're going to be doing this section today. I don't know if we'll be doing one section at a time each day, but we will be doing this section today. We're going to finish that. So let's get started. The website that we're working on, guys, is okay. This is my hosting company, lightphoenix.com. You guys can check out lightphoenix.com. It's linked in the description below. You enter code 25 off to get 25% off for a limited time. And when you host for a year, you get not only 2 months free, but you also get a free .com domain name for the first year. So you can get up and running real quick. This is just a bit of self promotion. AuroraCloudWS.com, guys. That is my premium hosting company. The difference between it and Live Phoenix is that with Aurora Cloud WS, you get your personal security team with your website hosting. All right. And you can save a lot more actually. So let me just go over to the plans and show you. You can save a lot more with Aurora Cloud, because with Aurora Cloud, with the lowest tier, if you get 2 websites, you can save $10 per month, which is $120 per year. And remember that you're getting like amazing service, 60,000 monthly visits. Really, that's awesome. 25 gigabytes of storage and 100 gigabytes of bandwidth. You get website protection, hack prevention, secured servers, free domain name as usual. And if you go with an agency plan, you get an even bigger discount. And Digital Pixie is, I'm actually going to show you Digital Pixie, guys, because I don't like the design of Digital Pixie anymore. I feel like there's a different air about Digital Pixie that can come from a redesign. So I'm going to be redesigning Digital Pixie next, guys. So this is website security company that I own as well. So you can trust these companies. I believe there's a lot more that can be done on this website. All right. So enough of self-promotion. So the website that we're working on for today, I don't want my bounce rate to go up. So let's clean a hack site. Let's just leave that there. And let's go to cyberdreamdevelopers.com. Okay, so we are redesigning CyberDream. Just a recap of the first episode. The homepage is alright. There are a few things that needs to be done on the homepage. We will work on the homepage last, but we need a bit of uniformity across the website because different parts of the website was built at different times using not a uniform design at all, and we have this hideous footer. All right, so I'm just going to head over to the CyberGrow. It's not here, so we need to work on the footer because it's not even there in the footer. So we're going to work on the CyberGrow page. Services, website development, CyberGrow. And CyberGrow is website as a service where you pay a monthly fee instead of an upfront cost, because my website starts at $3,500, guys. And this is what we're working on. So we've done this yesterday. We're going to be changing the hero. I feel like there's a lot more can be done about the hero to give it a more professional look and a less salesy look. All right. So we're going to be working on this section. Let us get started. We don't need that, and we are here. All right. So I'm going to be using templates mainly because I can't be bothered with building everything from scratch when this isn't a type of project for that, right? I don't need a unique design just yet. So I'm going to be using like that. I think I'm going to go to Envato Elements. So I've added Envato Elements plugin, and I go to free blocks. All right. And I go to feature and benefits. And this is the one that I want. Let me just see if I can get it. This looks like it could work, but I want something a little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, so that is not what I want. I haven't found it. I have not found it. So perhaps let me see. Services. Almost, that's not it. That is not it. I used it recently, guys. I think it's a pricing menu. It's not a pricing block, pricing table. Okay, so here it is. So we're going to just import again because it's used at a different part of the website. It's actually on the same page, guys. It's on the same page. So if you scroll down on the pricing section that I was working on but I stopped and decided to make this a live build, it's right here. All right. Okay. So we're going to be working on having this right here. So CyberDream Online Presence Tool, website development, optimize social media accounts, online marketing, and analytics. All right. So we're going to be using an icon box in these sections here. So we click here, icon box, and you're going to see what an icon box is, guys. So let me see if there are any icon boxes from. Yes, there's one from Happy Add-ons, I believe it is. So let me just see what that one looks like. Happy icon box. Okay, and I want desktop for website icon. Okay, and this is website development. A background. I'm not certain we need a background. Okay, guys, but we can link to something else. So I'm just going to link it to the website development page, and I don't want the text. All right. So now after we have website development, we also have a bit of information. So we also have a divider. So I'm not going to keep the entire design, but I do want the information that is there. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking of another design. I'm thinking of doing this. Oh wait, there's already an intersection, right? Yes, there's already an intersection, so I can't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add a new section. I'm gonna use 3 columns. All right. I am going to say copy, and I'm gonna paste. No, not yet, not yet. Look at what I'm gonna do, guys. So I'm doing this. All right. So I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna paste. All right. And I'm gonna copy this right here, and I'm gonna paste. And I'm gonna paste. And this text needs a bit of change. I was having some differences. Okay, so that works. I don't know if it works actually because that's a color that was there all the while. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to work on this. So I'm going to title, typography. I don't want to change the color just yet. I need 600 on the weight. We're going to do a little bit more work on the size. Okay, 25 maybe. No, I don't want 25. Wait, let me see how it works when it's stretched. Okay, so no. Let me just make this 1200. Alright, guys. And then now I'm going to keep on working on the font. So I'm going to go to title. And I just want to take up 2 lines. Now I'm going to get a spacer added above it. And I think 70 works with what we're doing right here. I'm going to go with 80 and then I take a look. 80. Okay, website development. Alright, so I have white website development. Alright, let me see if it looks better with a full width section. No, no. Full width, no. I'm going to have to do too much design. Okay, so we have that right here. Alright now. And the split across Structure should be 33, 33, 33. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, now, so I'm going to copy this inner box. I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to paste here. We have website development, that's one. We also have social media marketing. Okay, social media marketing, and that is not how you spell marketing, kids. Stay in school, unlike me. Marketing. All right, and then now we need a different icon. Facebook is the most popular, so we're just going to go ahead with Facebook. If I have a box, I might just go with a box. All right, and I'm going to link this to the social media marketing page. Social media marketing page. And important to note, guys, so social media, all right, look, it says marketing page. There are also posts, so ensure you're getting the right thing. All right, so that's a page. And then now we have this information right here, so I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste, and now we have online marketing and analytics. So I'm just going to go with overall content marketing right here, and that content marketing is going to entail, yeah, just content marketing, because blog posts and the like, right? So I'm just going to say content marketing, and I'm going to use a newspaper icon. All right, there we go. All right, wait, what? I thought I changed it to newspaper. There we go. All right, newspaper, website development, social media marketing, content marketing. We're going to get the information for content marketing. I go copy, and I go right here, and I paste. All right, so now we don't need this section anymore. All right, matter of fact, let me see. Yeah, I can actually put it there. Okay, so I can put it there. That is cheating, by the way, guys, because this is an intersection. An intersection in an intersection, normally you're not able to do that, but we found a way. Gonna paste. Just gonna delete that, and I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so we have this, and CyberDream online presence tools, website development, optimize social media accounts, online marketing, and analytics. So this is going to be 3 services in one. So this is not the best copyright, is it? No. So let's see now. We're looking at what you get, and that's website development, social media marketing, content marketing, and okay, so website build. No, actually, I want it here. Website design, so online marketing in one. So we're gonna have to work on this box. We can get there. Online success tools integrated. So I'm just going to say all online success tools integrated. So whenever you build a website, guys, you're going to need more than just building the website and leaving it there. You're going to need SEO, a bit of marketing. You're going to need some posts on your social media to tell people that, hey, we have a website over here. That was so game, but it was whatever, guys. And the structure, structure of this, I think it's here. I'm just going to have to straighten it out a little bit more. I'm going for 1200, guys. No, actually, I'm going to go with 900. Alright, so I'm going with 900. Website design. So I don't like this heading. It says website design to online marketing in one. Now that is what it is. You get social media marketing, website design and development, and content marketing. I'm trying to think of a wonderful copy, but I'll just work on this. Building a website doesn't guarantee online success. We integrate website development with strategic, and we do, guys. This is not just some cookie cutter marketing technique. We do a unique technique for you guys and for your company and for your clients. Development with strategic online and social media marketing, which social media marketing is a part of online marketing, but I wanted to stand out that you actually get that because people will ask about it. And social media marketing for your business, unique to your business and clients. And that is what we do. We never ever just make ads and not look into who you serve and who you are, right? Unique to your business and clients. Marketing, according to Steph Godin, is supposed to be done for you, not done to you. And the only way you can do that is if you put yourself in the client's shoe and you give them something that they need that makes their life easier. All right. So I'm just going to say, all right. So I'm gonna, I want a wonderful heading. Your road to online success. I think that's a little bit better. What is my road to online success? Building a website doesn't guarantee online success. Okay. We integrate website development with strategic online and social media marketing unique to your business to help generate leads. To generate traffic, leads, and customers, and loyal customers actually, because you're getting the people who need you, who are looking for exactly what you do, if it is that what you do is needed. It's important that you don't think we're going to market something that is not needed. All right. So that's that. And now, this section now, I'll work on the section. It's 1400. All right. And this section, the width is full width. So it should work well with the size. Okay, there you go. The sizing works well. So I perhaps don't need this, right? Let me just delete it for now and see what happens on that one. Okay, so I do need it, but perhaps not at the size I had it. So maybe 30 pixels. All right, guys. So let's see. So I need to plug in. I am plugged in because I wouldn't want to go off prematurely. And yes, so 30 does look like it. And what I'm going to do is real quickly, I hover over the spacer, I click copy, and I paste style. And I paste style. And having pasted style, everything should be uniform. Okay, this is not in line. So I perhaps need a smaller size spacer for this section because I don't have as much text, right? So I'm going to go with 15. All right, so let's see how that works. Okay, that looks like it. Okay, that looks like it. So now what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to work on this white background. We're going to have to work on the icon. We're going to have to work on the text color. The text color I will use a dark white, and by dark white I mean not a bright F white, but something of the variation like this one. All right, copy, paste style, and paste style. All right, let me update. Now we have a white background. White is fine. So what I'm going to work on is a purple for the heading and a purple for the icon. All right. So what I could do, guys, what I could do for you, and it's not really for you since I'm the one doing it, but I could actually edit icon box, background is white. No, this is not where it is. So I'm searching for where the background is white, guys. So I'm looking for style. Or maybe just maybe, something is white. Something is white. Okay, so I'm gonna have to play around a little bit. It's my first time using Happy Add-ons by Elementor, by the way, guys, and so far it's not so bad. So I'm gonna work on the background first. I'm gonna look at the background to see if that is where the white is coming from, because the default colors in the website could have been set. Okay, so that is not it, and there's no overlay. All right, is there? No, there is no overlay, so it's not from there. So I'll just go ahead. Oh, it is from there. So it is from there. All right. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to keep the white. All right. We're going to keep the white, but I'm going to work on the icon. I'm going to work on the icon. I change the color on the icon, the normal color. I'm going to change it to a nice rosy purple. And I'm going to change the title. Oh, I can change the background. Oh, that's not nice. That is not nice at all. All right. And when it hovers, it's going to get a little bit darker. All right. And I don't have a hover. I don't have a hover animation. No. But that's fine. So now for the title, I'm going to use that darker purple. That's black. All right, guys. So that's a problem I've been having. I'm thinking that the global colors haven't been updated properly. All right. So that's that. And advanced. So look at what I'm going to do now, guys. The background. Whenever you hover over the background, I'm changing the color to orange. And that's my accent, right? And let me just click on that. All right. And if there's a hover animation, let me see. I can change this to 350 milliseconds. Okay. Come on. Okay. So that's going to be when it loads. And it's not hover. Okay. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, guys. It's just a little glitch. We'll get through that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and copy, and I'm going to paste style, and I'm going to paste style. Now, let's look at our website. So here's what we might have an issue with. So this is black. Now, this is why I opened the home page for you guys, because we're making everything uniform with the home page. And if you look at the home page, you're going to realize that a lot of the home page is white. There's a lot of light colors on the home page. So for me to head over to CyberGrow and use black, I can only use purple, right? So for me to head over to CyberGrow and use black, it's not going to be consistent with what I have happening on the home page. So now I'm going to do the final work right here, because I have purple, I have white. I can have this purple travel down, which is what I initially planned, right? So you see the orange coming together, all right? I could have this purple travel all the way down to this section right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background. So there's a background image. We don't need that. First off, we're removing a lot of images from the site. We're only using icons. Ooh, that's a nice picture. Delete. And let's see if there's one in the overlay. All right, so there's nothing, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the overlay. All right, guys. And now we're going to go ahead. I was saying something, I don't remember what it is, but that's fine. We'll get back to it. I'm going to, okay, live things tweeted. I tweeted. So I'm going to put in this purple that follows all the way down here. All right, guys. And I think this is the purple. Okay, that is the purple. So I could use a darker purple just to force the issue a little bit. Okay, that looks nice. I'm even thinking that this purple will look a lot better up here. Right? And that's how I like to do my web design. Because it's not a client that has given me specific color palettes, I get to play around just a bit to see what works well. Okay, so that's a little bit dark. And I have to look at my home page. The purple that I use on my home page is a little bit brighter. It's a little bit brighter, the purple I've used. So I would prefer to stick to that purple. I have to admit though, this does look nice, but this is too dark. It's too dark. Okay guys, you see this is why I need more viewers, because then you guys can tell me which you prefer. We can use this darker purple. It looks awesome with the yellow, guys. It looks really awesome with the accent yellow. But the home page doesn't have that purple. So here's what. You see this purple right here in the icon? We can go ahead and we can use that, not there. Okay. Alright, so we can go ahead and change this purple to this purple right here. Alright, so look at this. Check it out. We could use that purple. But this purple doesn't look as good as that purple. It looks amazing, guys. Alright, so I'm going to go with the darker purple for now. Okay, or what I could do, I could go with white. Okay, and then I keep these purple. I keep these purple. I have my text black. I have my text black. Wow, there's so many possibilities. I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to delete this guy. I'm just keeping it around for now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with that. Alright, so let me just go with this. The background, when you when you hover, I want to go to that. Alright, and then now, I don't want to go with the white. Alright, I'm not going to go with the white, guys, because guess what? Just as we have a similar section here that has all of this going on with a few options and a heading, we have the same thing happening down here. Now, what I was going to do here with the white, I can do right here with this section. Alright, so we're going to keep what we've had. I'm going to go to section color edited because that's an easy change to revert to. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Section color edited. Yes, and section color edited. There we go. So that's what we're going to work with for now. And I like that. I like that. I like that. All right. So now we're going to remove this section because we don't need it. All right. We're going to save. Okay. Almost out of time, guys. Almost, but it's fine. And let's see now. So we have social media marketing. We need a border around this to have it stand out. It looks too much out there. All right. So we're going to work on having a border at the column, style, border, solid, 1. Okay. Border radius we want to have 15 because we want it to be curved a bit. The border color is going to be that, and look at that, guys. Look at that. How's that? All right, so now we're not done. We're not done. We need to have some margin to the left of 5 and to the right. We want to have 5. Now we copy and we paste that, and we paste that, and we should be living awesome. Okay, I like what we have here. So now this white is a little bit bright given the color of the text, but that's fine because it's going to turn to orange once we hover over it. All right, so this is going wonderful. I like what we have here. So this orange as well, which is a part of the template that we added, plays well with this. All right, so we have consistency going across. It's not the exact same orange, but it works well enough for now. All right, so we're done with that section. We're going to take a look at this section, and I'm going to do it today. The reason I was going to leave in 30 minutes was I was going to make some food to eat. I'm going to cook dinner. Awesome, I love cooking, guys. So we can talk about that on Twitter or on Instagram. All right, I have a personal, let me show you my personal Twitter. Jabez Roberts Twitter. All right, So this is my personal Twitter, guys. You guys can literally say, hey, what do you love to cook? Because I love cooking. This is why I wanted to work with a lot of restaurants, all right? So you can check me out right here. That is me, ugly me. All right, so let's get back here. Let's get back to our build. All right, so CyberGrow online presence tools, website development, social media accounts, online marketing and analytics. So we have content marketing, social media marketing, and website development. Okay, so that's what we have, and it's customers. Okay, so now we remove this section because we're done with that. So who needs a CyberGrow online presence? All right, so who is it for, right? So who is CyberGrow for? So we're going to use, we need lists, we need a small text area, we need a heading. All right, so I'm going to work with just a block. No, 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 no. Astra, where's Astra? Astra starter sites. We're going to go over to blocks. All right. Actually, I'm thinking I can find something here. So let me just filter out the things that we don't need. Free. And let me see. I'm thinking, I just have a feeling that I should look here for something, guys. So I'm just going to take a look real quick and see if there's something there I could use. And the reason why I'm using this method is because whenever you guys are creating your website, you need to work quickly, right? You need to have something to get you up and running. You're perhaps not a really good designer. You don't want to have to build everything from scratch and follow me and take an hour to do it. So I'm just using the fastest way for you guys. All right. So I do like these boxes, but it's not going to be appropriate for what I'm doing. It's not going to work. All right. It's not going to work. Okay. Okay. So let me see. I did see something. I saw something that could have worked. That's all for the free websites? Okay. Okay. Um, I'm gonna give it a shot actually. I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright. So the icons are not gonna be there. And this is not gonna be there. It's not gonna work. Alright. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, guys. So let me just go back here and let me just use a block. And I think a features block is gonna work well. Alright. Alright, a features block. Or maybe I can use something else. Let me see this. Okay. I'm using this, guys. I'm using this. I have an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm using this, guys. Take a look at what I'm going to do. It's going to be amazing, by the way. It's going to be amazing. Just look at what I'm going to do. All right. So we need to know who is the CyberGrow program for. All right. So who needs I don't want to keep that same heading. Is CyberGrow right for me? Is CyberGrow is a CyberGrow online presence right for me? And that could be a question in the FAQs. Alright? So, okay, is it right for me? So now this section is not going to be this at all. Alright, this is not going to be here. And we're not going to go with a blue background, guys. We're going with white. Alright? So, is a CyberGrow online presence right for me? And we're going to keep the white going through afterwards. So the purple looks nice. It looks really splashy. So we're going to have a text area. Alright, guys. I'm just going to remove this and put it here. Who is it for? And and that is a CyberDream online presence for me. Who is it for? And I'm going to change these headings. All right. Who is it for? Who is it for? Or who needs? Who needs? That's who needs CyberDream WAS. All right. And then now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to change that to that. CyberDream online presence, right? For me, CyberDream online presence is for any business, brand, or individual, or person. I don't use person, or client, that is serious about growing and competing in this digital era. CyberDream online presence. It offers low risk premium, because I don't give you a terrible website, guys. I have to put my name on your website. I want to feel good about it. All right, and you don't have to have that, by the way. You can't say no, you don't want my name on your website. It offers a low risk premium entry into the digital world for your business at a rate. Low risk premium entry at a rate, at an entry rate that does not, at a flexible entry rate that does not, I want to say it does not stop you from benefiting from. Alright guys, I'm from Jamaica, and in Jamaica, that's how we talk. We do not talk English in Jamaica at all. So sometimes I have to think about the exact English that works best for me. All right. So it offers a low risk premium entry into the digital world for your business at a flexible entry that does not exclude your business from the benefits of our professional, strategic, and effective website and online marketing investment. Come on, you can do it best. There we go. Investment. CyberDream online presence works best for. All right, it works best for. All right, good. So we're making some leeway. All right, now, so look at what we're gonna do, guys. We don't need this guy, and we don't need this fine lady either. So we're just gonna go ahead and delete their pictures, because we need to list the businesses that work best with CyberDream. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this, and just go ahead and delete this. We're moving quickly, all right? We want to get things done. Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say edit intersection and structure. I want 50. All right. So now restaurants, electricians, startups, influencers, brands, plumbers, construction officers, micro and small businesses, local service. Like these three right here literally just takes everything. Micro and small and medium businesses, local service businesses, gyms. All right. So I'm thinking I could do this. Yes, I can. Sorry, I wanted to ensure that unlike this one, the background wasn't a part of the icon list. All right. So now we have that. All right. So we can go ahead and delete here because nothing's there that we need. All right. So now we were going with white, right? So what I'm going to do is edit section. Pay attention, guys. I could do this. All right. I could do that. And that looks a little bit sharp. All right. Notice how this purple flows wonderfully. This looks a little bit sharp at the edge. Or I could do this, change that to that, and change this to this, and all right, and then the location, all right, the location is to the head. Okay, I could do something like that, where it has like an effect, but that doesn't look at all wonderful, right? And another thing that I could do, I could do this and that, and do something like this. Okay. Alright. So I could do that, guys. Alright. So we're keeping the purple consistent. So now I'm going to change the text right here. And our H1 is primary, but it's not changing. We have to click on it. So we don't need a primary, we actually need this color. I don't know why my secondary is red. I think I never changed it from a previous color palettes. Alright, so now we need a primary, and we just click on it and it comes up. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. For the background here, I'm going to do some work on the column. Now the column that we had previously was solid, 1 for the border. It had 15 for the curves. You know, it's not too sharp. We want to keep that smooth, those smooth edges coming. And I'm going to use this. All right. Okay. There we go. All right. So that looks all right. Now there's a background image interfering what we have going on. So I'm just going to go ahead, edit section, background overlay. Oh wait, so it's not a background overlay? You sure? Because I can see this right here. Clearly there's something there. Alright, so if it's not a background overlay, and it's not a background either, because I've changed, no, it's not a background because I've changed it. So where is this coming from actually? I wonder if it's here. It is somewhere. I'm going to find it for you guys. And it's not there. So where is it coming from? It's not here. And it's not here. Definitely it's not here. It's definitely not there. Alright, so where is it from? I don't know where this is from, guys. And this is background. Oh. Overlay. It's not there. I'm trying to find it. It definitely has to be a part of this section somewhere, guys, but it's not showing up. And I'm thinking that when I increase the opacity, I'm thinking it becomes more. So it is somewhere, it's just not showing up where it's supposed to be. So here's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use that to my advantage. I'm going to put this back to 0.1. It's still there. I'm going to change the color. Is it going to change? No. No, it's not. No. Oh, there it is, remove. So it's actually there. So I'm just going to, all right, so if I click center. All right, so it's here in the center now. So I'm going to remove this picture. All right, and it's gone. There we go. All right, now, so for this box, as we're working on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some work on the background. Right here. No, that's a little bit too dark. And we're going to be using, oh wait, this one would have been too dark. So I'm going to use that one. So it's a little bit, it's not as light as I would want it to be, guys. I want something that is just a tad shade lighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another color. All right, so I'm just going to go here and not that. I'm not getting it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right here, edit text editor, I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to remove the background because there's a white background there, guys. So I just go like that and it's removed. Now I need to work on this section again. So I'm going to go with the white. It's FF. And lucky for me, oh yeah, there we go, FE. I was about to type that in. So you don't see it all too much, all right? And I'm going to go like this, edit section, go like that. I'm going to go 120 in the bottom because I want a little bit more air to breathe, all right? And I'm going to go at 110 at the top as well. We need CyberGrow. All right, so this now, we need to work on this section. So I'm going to edit icon list. And I'm going to go with the style, icon, color. There we go. When you hover, I don't want the cyan, I want a lighter. No. I need a brighter color. All right, and then let's go to text. Hover, it's going to be accent. No, I don't want that. I'm just going to have to keep that. Okay. So I'm going to have to go uniform with that, go dark, and go dark. Okay. Icon. Actually, I need a brighter purple. Guys, actually, I need a brighter purple. Let me just add that. Okay. And I'm going to use that again. Okay. And then now I'm just going to add some to the top. Alright. Just going to copy, paste style. And I'm just going to do it. Okay. So let's see. Okay. We need CyberGrow. And it looks a little bit bland right here. So I'm going to add this divider. Just going to keep my divider going through. I'm going to keep the color a little bit cheerier. I don't need 40 on the top for this at all. 20 would be good. So I'm just going to go with 20 at the top. Alright. And I'm going to copy and paste that. And okay. So the CyberGrow online presence is for any brand. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go edit section. I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to go with location of 5 just to get a little bit smaller. Okay. Okay, who needs a CyberGrow website? Alright, so now I need to work on these. I need bigger. Works best for colon. And we're going to work on the typography. Now, I mentioned we're going to be looking at the font, guys. So 300 is what we need. We're going to look at the font. I'm thinking this is Lato, right? It should be Lato. But for this right here, now we need something a little bit more out there. Text, typography. The weight, 500. Okay, that's a little bit more impressive. And I'm going to go with Roboto slab. Okay, Roboto slab. And then that's that. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste that. Alright. Okay. I don't like how dark the icon is at first. So let me see which one looks best. Now would have been a good time to go with my cyan. There we go. I'm gonna actually go with my accent. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so how does this look? How does this look, guys? I think, okay. I'm thinking that this is alright. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. And now we have this section and this section. So we've done some work for today. But fortunately, I feel like having a meal. So I'm just gonna go here and the changes should be updated. I don't think I have caching that's gonna cause any issue. So let's see what we're working with now. Right. I think I might have to clear my cache. Yes. So let me just clear my cache. Preview changes. Performance purge all cache. Come on, purge all cache. Okay. So then now let us refresh. It's refreshed, but it's not updating right here. So I'm just gonna close this window. I'm actually gonna just use incognito from Google Chrome. And let us see. Oh, yeah, that is not it at all. That is not it. And that is it, but that is not it. It's having some caching issue, guys. I'm gonna need to purge cache again. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to disable my caching plugin. I mean, it works right here. It is right here. It works fine right here. I'm just trying to get a fresh view from somewhere that is not logged in. Oh boy. Ah boy. Accept. CyberDream. And the caching broke the darn website. Oh boy. You see, the changes aren't even updated. So I'm going to leave it for now, and I'm going to hope the caching figures itself out. If not, I'm going to have to remove my caching plugin. And the website is going to be a little bit slower, but you know, after we're finished, it will be fine. So, all right. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for joining with us. Have an awesome day, and I will see you soon. Cheers.